time you open up yourself to certain influences, ultimately what results from it you can't escape. Decide on the things. If you have no decisions, if you have no boundaries, you become susceptible to many things. One of the reasons why sexual immorality is a major is because it possibly is one of the easiest for man to fall into because of the pull of the flesh. What the fall of man means is that man decided to allow the dominance of his flesh over his spirit, or put in spiritual terms, decided to allow something else other than God control his life. Performance-based sexuality is not a true expression of a loving relationship. If you are under a requirement to perform all the time, and your partner is not ready to understand, something is missing. Marriage is not a cure for pornography. It's not. It may help when you add it amongst other things, but it's not a cure. That sexual intercourse leads to the exchange of blood. It's a blood covenant. In a sense, a blood covenant. And because it's a blood covenant, the life of the flesh is in the blood. Leviticus 17:11. Because the power of speaking enables and energizes. The power of speaking compels you to make yourself accountable to your words. So you speak what you believe. Practically everywhere you find the Bible talks about the work of the flesh, it will always be either number one or repeated as a dominant part of the effect of the fall of man. Everything is sold with a sex appeal because human beings respond to the gravitational